maybe it's gonna be fun. The bottom collar is in the house. And yeah, let's can you do it like this up here? Maybe it's on YouTube. Maybe it's on YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Stream beats. Wait, there are so many rocks, signals. It doesn't matter. This crap. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. No. Still arcade maybe. Yeah, sure. It's fine. Yo, how's everybody doing? Sorry, I just had to find some nice music. No fear here, bye. First time here, hello chaps. Wilco, hi doing, mate? I hope you're right, dude. Everybody hopes I'm right. Tiela, hold me, I'm scared. Yeah. Medland, 4 months. Edward, too good, man. I was thinking today I gotta buy. Afternoon. Hi Martin, how you doing? So, what we are gonna see here? Let's just show you up here. Right now we are almost at the divergence levels. I mean, we are down there, and there was still no divergence. Yeah, I mean, let's go down here. 4 hours still not in. Yeah, this looks like it's happening right now. Yeah. So as soon as we get this candle up here, this is gonna be the bottom. You know, fearful people, fearful. We're all having a big fat curry teeth right now. Happy place. Love 16-bit music, reminds me of my Super Nintendo when I was a kid. Yeah, it reminds everybody. We are only old guys here. You know, we are all old guys. You know, there are crypto channels for young guys. And there is crypto channel for old guys. You know, we are old guys. It's okay. I mean, we are not 70 or something like that. I mean, we still can move, but we're not that tall. How's everybody doing? Is everybody still feel crypto is dying? Pumping fear now. Yeah, pumping fear. Wait, are we about to look at the 1 second chart? I don't know. Are we about to look at 1 second chart? It's gonna be interesting if you do that. 1 minute 46 seconds and we're gonna call the button, guys. 1 minute 46 seconds and we're gonna call. I got my 4 months. Yeah, you got your 4, Martin H. But you can see that 4 has this, the white shade around the 4 number because, I think I messed up the, transparency on that stuff. So, can crypto be in bear for 10 years instead of 4? Yeah, sure, why not? Is dump over already? Yeah, that's it. I was kind of expecting some kind of dump today. I didn't think it's gonna be like 6% or something like that, but No, stuff, man, stuff happens. Old and young minds. So is the dump? It was like a 6%. Sushi, by the way, guys. Sushi like doesn't care, guys. Sushi literally like everything is dumping like crazy, but sushi like I think I'm gonna go in opposite direction. For some reason, it's like I'm going in opposite direction, and this is daily time frame. You would think this is maybe some kind of 5-minute time frame. No, it's daily time frame. I don't know why, but sushi is the worse they look, the more they pump, or something like that, right? So Bitcoin up here looks nice and juicy. There is Omicron that in the UK being hub in the news. You gotta push that Omicron pretty tough now to scare people, because people are pretty much getting like whatever. Like one guy died, yeah, but 50 guys are gonna die in 2 months. It's a fake out. We'll see. I just got off the phone. One of our young officers got beat nearly to death by an inmate. Oh man, yeah, I'll send some positive thoughts. That's crap, man. positive thoughts to your, and there we go. We are above the 10 moving average up here, I mean, we've been up above 10 moving average previously. We are breaking this line up here. There's some kind of line up here, give or take. Let's use this up here because it's a nice line. So, if we can hold these levels up here, we just might, bounce. There will be no 1 hour, 1 second charts, guys. Unfortunately, there will be no 1 second charts. But yeah, the max sphere is definitely, I think, is it definitely done? Yeah. 4 hourly closed up here. 4 hourly closed. Let's see. I'm check what's happening on the 4 hourly up here. Nah, no divergence on the 4 hourly, so it closed just above the level, so it can't continue dumping on the downside. But how is the levels are pretty decent towards downside, I mean, sure, we can push it more towards downside, but these levels down here are pretty decent, so as long as we can get some kind of move towards the upside, it'd be nice. Let's go back to the weekly time frame and see down here, it is pushing it to the downside even more right now. So can it go more? Yeah, sure, why not? I mean, it could go more. We're gonna call it when it actually happens, but yeah, there you go, a rejection of that move. So we got more downside, we're not gonna call the dump, the bottom just yet. We're gonna wait just a little bit more, and then we're gonna call the bottom, right? So yeah, at least that's the plan. We're gonna see how that works out. I reckon sushi is moving up because people are using the swap to sell their crypto. Yeah, it might be that, because right now I think Ethereum fees are down by a bunch, so people are finally like, hey guys, let's sell the Ethereum finally, I have an order of 3.5k since the summer. I'm leaving it there for fun. Yeah, but that money could have been doing something for you, 3. Now, if you had like 3.5k, some order 3.5, that might work out if you put it on some kind of low volume exchange, because sometimes people don't understand stuff, and they press market buy and market sell, so when they press market sell with big money, the price might just dump pretty much towards downside. So I think hoping for some kind of very low numbers might be option on low volume exchanges, not low volume coins on high mainstream exchanges like Coinbase. I think Damn Strike Captain is gonna be in some kind of hole if he isn't careful. I love that the music causing the dump. Bereshing Alfie on 5-minute chart, guys. Bereshing Alfie on 5 minutes. Do you have any kind of news for this right now? By the way, guys, if you're not already subscribed to my newest channel, the Art of Technical Analysis, this is the time to do so. This is time to do so. It's only 3 videos, but yeah, I'm gonna upload content. It's not a it's not kind of a channel where you gotta get spammed with notifications every single day. But I'm gonna upload the tech analysis over time, so if you want to learn tech analysis, support the channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. That said, let's go. Cointelegraph. Let's check out Cointelegraph. What they're saying. The news is fed on Tuesday. Scrap your new channel, bro. Thanks, man. Undood me. Undood me. What kind of name is that, man? Monster bull move means whales could secure the next Bitcoin price surge. Monster bull move. But as a Myanmar shadow government declares stablecoin USDT an official currency. No way! The Nug Finance Minister said using Tether would enhance trade speed and payment efficiency. No way! Myanmar shadow government declares stablecoin USDT an official currency. Myanmar shadow government, the national unity government, led by the supporters of JL Al-Lader has decided United States dollar-based stablecoin Tether as an official currency for local use. No way, man! They figured it out. This is gonna moon right now. Please turn the music. I don't know how high the volume is, guys. I don't know how high the volume is. Let's go. How high the volume is. More. We are not. We are cold when it actually. Okay, a little bit down, and it's gonna be fine. A little bit down is gonna be fine. Okay. Maybe something like this. What did BC Becker is right? What did BC Becker say? Feel I changed the music, dump is bad enough. Don't you? It's a feel-good music, man. It's feel-good. Like, why are you still? Why are you being scared about that? Look at the title of the video, man. Like, look at the title. Everybody is in full fear right now. Everybody is in full fear right now, right? This is, you know, Bitcoin in Norwegian papers, you know, update today, but you know, it was posted yesterday, talking about Bitcoin, you know, so people are in mainstream talking about Bitcoin, everybody's in full fear. We had some kind of, you know, bottom, you know, look at the thumbnail, you know, blood on the streets, you know. Take a hit, man. Okay, let's see here, what do we say? Bitcoin, fear it was, I think I checked this yesterday, it was a 20-something. 28, it was 28, but we are down on 16, 27 right now. Right now it's going back down, but it's not going back down to 60. I think it's going back down to 20 levels, just below 20 levels, maybe 19 or something like that. I think we are going then all the way down. Yeah, we're getting slowly. People are, you know, getting used to these, you know, low levels down here. Yeah. But look at look at it, you know, the blood is on the streets, guys. The blood is on emergency. Everybody is in full fear right now. You know, relax, guys, relax. It's gonna be fine. Look at the pullback. This is. I still, you know, it is trying to go down. It's trying to go. Yeah, music too loud. Still too loud. How can music be too loud? What's wrong with you guys? Let's go. Okay, let's find what's lorry, pixel, upside rose, midnight, lights, trouble, lo-fi Christmas. Okay, cool. Okay, this might be a little bit better. Oh, what is the poor man's Mario disco music? Dodge Daddy. I'm not playing Dodge Daddy. I'm gonna play Dodge Daddy. Like, I can play Dodge Daddy because, you know, how low can it go? It cannot go lower than this, okay, guys? So technically we can play Dodge Daddy, okay? So everybody cool with that? We can play Dodge Daddy without crashing the price down to 0. I think we can do that. I think we can play Dodge Daddy and not crash the price on the to the, you know, to 0 right now. Okay, let's try to do that. Let's try to do that. Twitter, we can just do it like this up here, you know, give to 0 right. Where is the Dodge Daddy? Okay, everybody's fine with that. We play Dodge Daddy. We play Dodge Daddy, and you know, we go towards the upside, right? That's the plan. Don't know what this market needs, yeah. Because, you know, previously we played Dodge Daddy as some kind of tops, you know, so it went down. But right now, I think if we play it on the downside, I think we just might go up. Okay, we're gonna go this to endless. Okay, guys, there we go. There we go. Crash this baby. Bleed out is good. Yeah, bleed out is worse than, you know, straight drop to the downside. What if it makes the dump worse? No, it cannot make the dump worse, guys. It cannot make the dump worse. It's okay. The reversal song. Yeah, it's the reversal song. It's not actually pump or dump song. It's just the reversal. I think you should ask the 8 ball if you should play it. It's too late for that. We already going with the song.
I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity. I'm the path of least resistance.
BJ better version than one week chart. It's perfect. It doesn't have better version than 1 week. It has bullish versions. On weekly.
I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash.
See up here.
Go dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash. Go dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing test shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dash, go Dash, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dash.
Lose the 50, man. We can't hear you off the music. It's okay, man. My voice is not that important.
Forget the moon, I'm off to my cashy trash is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my Go Dash.
It's going to the moon.
Doge Daddy, yeah.
Yeah, I might no info here. What kind of info you want? Like I already said, it's at the bottom, man. What kind of info do you need, man? What kind of info do you need? We already said it's at the bottom. It's at the bottom. You know, the only trick is right now, you know, is just saying, okay, this is the bottom, and then we can close the stream and go home. You know, that's the only trick right now. That's the only thing we're waiting for, right? Sushi up 10%. Damn, it was up even more up here. The music from the 80s. Please check Solana. What do you want to see about Solana, man? What about see? Nah, we just gonna look at Bitcoin. We're just gonna call the bottom, and then I'm gonna go and do stuff with kids. Song is louder than your champ. Yeah, I get that, but it's okay, it's okay. Like say bottom, guess. Sorry, the bearish divergence for ETH, my bad. Well, it does look a little bit different. ETH is down 8% on the downside, but you know, on daily time frame, it's not that actually looking that swell right now. I don't know what I pressed right now. Okay, just a second, guys. I need to, you know, I'm still here. I just need to, you know, there we go, and we are back. Okay, so daily time frame up here. Let's see up here. Yeah, there is actually no divergence up here on the daily time frame right now. On the weekly time, bearish divergence. There is no bearish divergence either. You know, down here it goes towards downside. You could say that this is some kind of big, huge, you know, but it's too big. It's too big. I think we need to use like 2 weeks or something like that on this one. Up here, yeah. I don't know. It's. I think it's too big. It's too big. The spacing is too big. I don't see the divergence up here on the Ethereum. On the daily, there is no divergence up here on the daily, and you know, this actually, the momentum is actually increasing towards downside, so it actually looks worse than Bitcoin right now for whatever reason. Weekly 50 is hitting there, going below that. There is 200 moving average down there. On 5-minute chart, we already got you know, 2 divergences up here. So this is I think this is the bottom. I think, you know, this is already on the 5-minute chart. You're getting these 2 divergences, momentum going up towards the upside right now. It's just trying to push it, you know, as much as it can on the downside. Let's look at the volume up here. Big volume candle up here on the 5-minute chart, so that might indicate the bottom down here. Big volume candle, huge volume candle down here. Huge volume candle here on the 5-minute chart, might indicate some kind of bottom down there. Let's see the 1 hourly up here, and the volume has been increasing actually with the dump down here on the 1 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame did increase the dump towards the upside. You know, the dump has actually been going towards the upside. Over here, this consolidation has been going down as expected. Not actually much they can take out from that. Let's go to another chart up here that's a little bit cleaner, easier to see. Let's remove everything up here, go back to the 5-minute chart again and see if we have the same kind of, yeah, you can see the volume on the 5-minute chart has been just increasing like crazy all the way up here. And right now, you know, it's gonna be interesting to see if this is gonna, you know, increase. But yeah, the volume has definitely been increasing. There's a huge amount of volume down here. This is actually on Coinbase, so you know, people are definitely in some kind of fear. Oh, look at the dump, guys. Look at the dump, 6.39%. Is this it, guys? Is this it? Let's see down here. Let's see, did we get the divergence? No, there is no divergence. It just actually went down on the 5-minute chart. Not actually very helpful. No. Let's see 5-minute, 15-minute chart. It just continuing dropping straight down. you know, the question is how far, because right now we are going in some kind of parabolic move towards downside, guys. This cannot this is not sustained, guys. This is not sustained. Understand that you guys can be a little bit, you know, over the top, you know, or panicky and stuff like that, but this is you know, fortunately for us, not sustainable levels. Let's go to the 1 minute chart up here and see what 1 minute chart is doing right now. Is this the week of the, you know, of the this the week of the some kind of dump off here? Is this done or not? That's the question right now. Let me just change something up here and check out some other. Let's see some other coins, how they are performing right now, because that they might indicate some kind of, you know, bottom or stops right now. Getting below this 50 moving average down here, that was expecting downside. Chain link bleeding towards downside. Let's see up here, divergence, double divergence on chain link right now. Cardano 8% down, still not below previous slowdown here. Still no divergence up here. It is, you know, holding this level as support right now. This looks like a, you know, evening star doji, some kind of pattern up here. And 5 minute, 1 minute chart, go up here. That's it. I think that's it. Yeah, it should be it. Like if this right now, let's see 5 minute chart, it is bouncing pretty hard. Was that it? Was that the last move? Was that the last move? You know, that's the question. Was this the last move? Let's see volatility on 1 second. Even on one, look at here. I mean, 1 second chart is so nice, guys, because even 1 second chart has so much, you know, volume. It has so much volume that, you know, it is still, you know, it's still, you know, pretty clear. You know, some charts are, you know, 1 second chart, you cannot see it, but you know, there's so much volume on this one over here, so it is really nice to look at right now. It is popping towards the upside. Yeah, this is the bottom. Okay, we're calling the bottom right now, calling for 42 on the shoulders. I'm gonna call it on the 4 hour on 1 minute chart. I'm gonna call it, like, it is pretty close. It is pretty very effing close, man. Very effing close. Yeah, I think we need to climb a little bit more higher, but we'll see right now. Five 1 second chart, 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Is this it, guys? Is this it? Let's see here, going down, down. Everything looks fine. 5 minute chart still not above the 10 moving average. Still, you know, doesn't. Its recovery is not that well. I mean, it's nice pump. It was, you know, some kind of you know, bleed through upside. Let's see up here if it can get you know, the moves towards the upside. It's gonna be interesting to see if it actually does that. Over here, this 1 minute chart. So what we're trying to figure out right now is at what point do we break the trend line up here. So first of all, we should probably have a pretty decent trend line up here on the 1 hourly time frame, maybe something like this 1 minute time frame, and you know, at one point this line will get broken. There's no, let's see up here, maybe something down here. It's not, it's up, something up here. Do I see that? Up there, down, above, something like this. I think I like this one. Down here, it's something like above it, below it, above. Try to break it up here. Still no break on the line, so still going towards downside. So yeah, and there is actually not a lot of you know, there has been a lot of volume, but it did not, you know, push through all the way through. So it still, but you can see here already right now the volume is, you know, on these 3 dumps towards downside. The volume is still, still going towards downside. Right now it's down 6%. It was a lot more. So let's see if we get yeah, there is divergence up here, but there is no divergence on the last dump down here. This is 1 5 minute chart up here. 1 minute chart, too early to call. 1 hourly chart. Let's see 1 hourly chart right now. can it bleed more? Like the volume is going with the price, so this is actually quite nice for, you know, for shorters, because they like the volume is going with the price. But this on 1 hourly, so it's you know, momentum is increasing. Let's see 4 hourly down here at the bottom down here. Maybe we are creating you know, on the 4 hourly time frame. Still three and a half hours left, still 3.5 hours left. So you can see that down here, you know, for a half an hour it's just been standing down here. What kind of levels do we have on the downside? I mean, this got broken, this is getting broken right now. We got down this at 60, was that 46.5. They 1 hourly, you know, that's up here. It's actually taking up here, but you know, down here is the last one. And after that, we only got the big one down here at the bottom down here at 46.6. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart, see how this actually looks on the 5-minute chart up here. Still not out to the bottom, so still gotta wait, guys. Still gotta wait a little bit. So we're gonna see. You stopped on the trend line from this high in April. Check on the 4th. This kind of price for buying crypto present for a family. You gotta ask yourself. How much more can it dump, right? By the way, what's highest volume right now? Let's check what's highest volume. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin 1.8 billion, Ethereum 1.7, BUSD, Gala 500 million, BNB, Shiba, Sand, Luna, Matic, Sol, .avex, XRP. You know, the fact that, you know, some of these coins, they are not charts. I'm empty. I'm Alto Cola. Let's see up here. How is this gonna look? Still not out of that 5. Like, it was a big dump towards downside, but it's not getting the follow through that we need. It kind of climbs, it climbed the moving average, so maybe just, you know, slowly waiting, because we know when it starts breaking the line here at 47,000, it can pump. But you know, let's see inversely how this actually looks. Yeah, so this might have a bit some kind of blow, because you see previously over here with some kind of blow off top, whatever this was, I know, but it was a very start, and we have, but it kind of goes like this, you know, it kind of goes like this, you know, this kind of goes like, you know, stripe, but this one over here goes like you know, towards the top, or you know, straight shooter towards the top. So what happens here, it's, you know, it's extend, you know, smack below, hug, and then it goes down, right? So we are expecting right now the move to the downside below the line. Up here, you know, I think there is a lot of fear right now, so I am expecting this actually to move towards the upside. How much towards the upside? That's the question. Can we see that on Matic? 15.5. 1 hourly. Let's see. Some coins, man. Some coins. So close, so close. No, it actually went the other way around. So are we gonna get, this is on 1 minute chart, still pulling towards downside. I'm pretty close to the bottom, like give or take. Like, how much I'm gonna get? Minus 12%, minus 20% towards downside. There is no big line that we are crossing. I mean, there is definitely some lines we are crossing right now, but we are not even close to the daily close, you know. So you know, it's just kind of, you know, during the Monday dump or something like that. Yeah, I mean, if you can call it that, right? Monday dump. pretty close to those lines. It's just getting pushed. I think it just wants to break certain levels and then get this some kind of, you know, some kind of a liquidation week or something like that, and then we can go towards the upside. You know, because did anything recover yet, guys? Did anything recover yet? Last 5 minutes now. Phantom, not yet. Doji, not yet. Theta, not yet. Zilliqa maybe trying to, you know, get some kind of bottom in here. Cardano maybe trying to get some kind of bottom in there. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? And why am I? There we go. Yeah, it is trying to get in some kind of bottom link down there. Matic is already, you know, breaking towards the upside. Looks nice. Can we get another push? So yeah, so altcoins does look, you know, they're trying to, you know, getting the in the bottom right now, but it is kind of, you know, shady bottom right now. I don't know what kind of bottom this is, you know. I'm not very good, you know, analyzing, you know, are into future trade. Adopter, I'm trying to understand how sector rotation works in a bull stock market. Can you point me somewhere? If I knew what sector rotation is, I would do that, man. I don't know what that is. Why are we going down? To get you out, you know, to get you to sell, and then we're going up. Between 43.5 and 44.6 USD is end of dump. 40. I don't know, man. I'm pretty confident that we are at the end of dump right now. It's the question is only, am I correct or not? Right? Am I correct or not? Like, it's down like 12% already. And you can see here, like, the dump is going like parabolically towards downside, guys. Parabolically towards downside. Extend from the moving. At least, you know, you gotta get some kind of pump to some kind of 48k. At least, right? So, you know, get some kind of pump towards up to the moving average, something like that, because you know, it cannot bleed to you know, towards downside forever and ever, right? Let's see here, 1 hourly, sorry, 1 minute chart up here. The one Charlie is the 1 hourly trying to get in some kind of bottom down here. It's still, you know, still fighting for it. I'm not seeing, you know, I kind of feel like this is gonna go like and then drop down and then maybe towards the upside, because I think it needs to get that liquidation week going on. Right now there is no liquidation week. It's just being pushed towards downside, and you know, people are slowly you know, but I think if you go below 46, something like that, we might get that liquidation week, you know, towards the upside. So you know, that's something, you know, that's something, of course. So we're gonna see how that actually plays out. Look at the volume. Yeah. .com bubble style crash on the cards. I have the same feeling as you, probably bottom out, but will be right. Maybe. Valid question for the whole life. Which one? Oh man, I thought you were like Gandalf the wizard, but without the white beard and the funny hat. There you go, leak, I know. What's the Nasdaq gonna do? Nasdaq is already down, I think, down by 1%. Yeah, the Nasdaq is already down by 1%. Let's see here on the daily time frame. Look at the dump on the down, but you know, it's still above the moving average. So this dump on the downside is just back to the moving averages before it actually continues towards the upside. Even on the weekly time frame, we still got 5 days on the weekly time frame up here, so it's still above 10 and 20 moving average. Dow Jones, so you know, Dow Jones looking fine even with this dump towards the downside. Even S&P 500 looks fine. Let's go to the daily time frame. It's still up, you know, above all of the moving averages on the daily time frame. So markets, even though down by 1% or something like that, they're still fine. Technically still fine. Technically still fine, right? Let's see here how the markets. Japan 0.7 up, but everything else beside, you know, Norway 0. Yeah, everything else is in the red, but you know, Moscow is down 4%, but Moscow is always down 4%. But right now S&P and you know, Euronext is down 0.1% down. It's not a big deal. It's just small move towards the downside. It's normal move towards the downside, if you can call that a normal move, of course. Let's go back to the charts up here. A 5 minute chart up here. We want to see if the line, when the line gets broken. Line's not yet being broken right now, and the question is when it will be broken, of course. Hi Joe, long time no see. Fed meeting sometime soon, maybe, I don't know. Can it be related to Binance pulling out of Singapore? I didn't hear anything about that, but I don't think it's that. I see a lot of people are trying to find, you know, justification for the dump. You don't need any kind of justification for the dumps, guys. There is no need for any kind of justification for dumps. Sometimes just dumps because you just break through certain lines. Pain is temporary. Glory is eternal. Head and shoulders street profits like dandruff. Sand. Talk about sand. Sand. Talk about sand. Sand is down 10%. So 20th November down, 20th December up. Yeah, maybe, why not? Maybe that was the trick. Wally is in the chat. Yep, G-Powell will make an announcement this week about inflation. Chill, sand is bullish. Just kind of go sideways, Let's see here, 1 minute chart up here. There's going to be some kind of triangle up here. You can see here some kind of triangle, right? But it's hugging it, you know, it's hugging the upside more than it's hugging the bottom side more. So sometimes, you know, when you got, you know, which side are you hugging the more? Are you hugging the bottom side or the upside more? Because this is like go down, you know. So we're gonna see it up here. It's almost the same. Maybe, you know, maybe should be using, you know, some kind of second charts up here. See, nice. We like second charts. Let's see on the second charts which way we actually break out. Maybe gonna do 2 seconds or something like that, just 5 seconds, just to get the nicer lines. There we go. They're talking about 4% inflation 3 years from now, but the news is saturated with inflation news, so can't be that. I think Satoshi Nakamoto is selling. If he was selling, we would know. Once Meta comes, it's all gonna shut up. $1 trillion companies, visual, everything, Ready Player One. That's what we're trying, you know, to prepare us for. But I've seen the glasses, man. They're this big. I'm not going out with these big glasses out, you know, in the streets, you know. So until glasses gets, you know, better, nothing's gonna happen. I think it goes to the 1 second chart. 600 Bitcoin at 46,000 on Bookmap, huge push after that. I don't do Bookmap, man. I don't do Bookmap. That's not the thing we do. And there we go, we broke up on the upside, but it might be some kind of fake out. Is it gonna be a fake out on the 1 second chart? Sorry, this is a 5 second chart. It's 5 second chart. Probably a few more weeks of this. Let's go to 1 second chart because it's a lot more choppy. There we go. Nice bullish candle on 1 second chart up here. Alt's looking ugly though. No, Alt's looking fine, man. There we go. Pump in. Looks good, guys. Do you like the chart now? Do you like the green candles? Ray-Ban and Facebook are going to push the Meta glasses, but they gotta make the glass now. It's, you know, it's easy, you know, making CGI saying look how cool it looks, and the other thing is, you know, making the extra glasses. You know how hard is the making the glasses to do the stuff they want us to do? Really hard. I mean, it might come, you know, because it's, you know, you gotta make the, you know, big product and then you make it smaller, but why no Bookmap? I don't do man Bookmap. That's so much crap on Bookmap, man. Yeah, bullishness on 1 second chart coming and kick in big time up towards upside. So right now we are seeing that we are gonna, let's see if this line 57, whatever this line is, I'm gonna break that line on 1 second chart right now. Bookmap on a different channel. No, I'm not doing Bookmap. Bookmap is not something you wanna. Ooh, look at the volume up here. Try to get up here. Nope, failed that. He's gonna try for the second time up here. It's gonna go, and there we go. Nope, failed again on that one. Nope, it says no, we're going down. Yeah, sell. When is the but the volume is going down. When is the, you know, here, you know, we are getting in new orders up here. By the way, I watched lately some quant trading channels. you know, and I gotta tell you guys, I have absolutely no clue how they do that. But there we go, big gap up here above the line. Suddenly it was like, guys, be bullish, let's just buy it, pump the price towards the upside. Okay, let's see how this looks on a 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart broke out of this slow downtrend down here. Right now we're getting into this bigger trend up here that we have to break. So we're gonna see if we can break this bigger trend up here. Let's go back to the 1 second chart and see if the line gets broken. Where's the line, man? Where's the line? Man, if the line is on, I think the line got broken up here. Okay, there is, let's make this line yellow and go to 1 second chart. But where is the horizontal line, man? Where is the horizontal line? There should be a horizontal line. Did I miss the line? What's up, man? How can there be a line up here but there is no line down there? Or maybe maybe it was a, you know, wrong line. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Still getting rejected by the line. But yeah, the question is this one. It was so nice to watch until I noticed it's 1 second chart. Yeah, that's buy the pump. Yeah, that's whatever gets everybody going, guys. Guys, I'm still not fearful. You know, even with this big dump on the downside, I think we need a bounce. Is it gonna happen? That's the question. Elon Musk buy low pump on 1 second. We know how to get everybody excited, right, guys? Hi, Hafio. Elon Musk buy. There we go. 3 minutes left on the 5 minute chart. But let's go to 1 minute. We got a higher high somewhere, you know, up here, so it's nice, but not, you know, we gotta get about 47.5, something like that. Pretty big numbers, maybe even above this one. But, you know, small steps, baby, baby steps, baby steps. First 1 minute, then 5 minutes, then high TL just loading, heavy call the bottom. Not quite yet. Not, I think we need this 5 minute, you know, to close, about maybe 20 moving average, and then we're gonna say like, okay, the bottom is in or something like that. But we still didn't get that liquidation dump that I was actually thinking we might have. You know, when we get like big move towards downside. I mean, we did get like, you know, some kind of dump down here. You know, it's enough to push us towards the upside. But I was expecting, you know, blood on the streets kind of dump. If you doubt, man, appreciate energy. If in doubt, zoom out, or like we like to do, zoom in, zoom in until you cannot zoom in anymore. Like 1 second. I think there is something else than once. This is called ranges. There is one range. One range. I don't know what the range is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know what to look at. What happened? Are we all waiting for that one last dump? Yeah, maybe. Maybe that one last dump that never comes. But this 1 second chart climb is out of this, you know, it is nice. Maybe get a big dump down here. I don't know. Let's go to the 5 minute chart, see what's happening in the 5 minute chart up here. %50 of retail has no more money to average their crypto. FTM looking really tasty right now. Yeah, FTM did go down pretty, you know, heavy. So you can see right now, you know, we dumped down, and right now, you know, so this chick, the question is, are we gonna, you know, chick on the downside, or chick to the upside? You know, what kind of chick move are we gonna make, guys? What do you guys think? Chick to the upside or chick to the downside? Mondays are usually false move, like cannot be real move, because, you know, it's Monday, until we actually, you know, start, you know, bleeding down, you know, for the next 7 days. Double bottom on FTM. 5 minute chart, what are we gonna look at? Just a little bit too overstated though, so it needs some kind of pump either way. Maybe it's gonna be very long as you know, some kind of falling wedge up here, and then bounce. Maybe. Who knows how this is gonna go? Chick. Depends if I buy or sell. Always opposite of that. So what did you do, Dava? If you're still hodling, we are still dropping down, man. So you know, if you're hodling, you're against us because you are making price go down. You know, because the price, you know, only reverses when you sell. So you know, take one for the team. The Solana hit the bottom. I think everything has hit the bottom right now. We're still waiting, you know, for a big reversal, something like that, but it is going a little bit slower than. There we go. We closed actually below the line. We closed below the line, at least the line that I have on the screen. So let's remove this, remove that, remove that. We're gonna stick around, and we're gonna go to 1 second chart, 1 minute chart up here. We're gonna remove the moving average for 1 second up there, and see the line. We're gonna remove this line, we're gonna remove that line because we are above that. It looks like we are above it, but you know, we've been above it before, so you know, not calling anything right now. And you can see here on the 5 minute chart, it's still, you know, close below that line. So let's try to give it, you know, the most. I mean, if this breaks, you know, there is nothing else. I mean, there is this line, of course. Let's just do the, you know, the right thing and draw all the lines. I think these lines. By the time we get to that point, you know, it's already done. Maybe you're gonna get, you know, the morning Doji star pattern up here on the 1 hour time frame. 7 minutes left, so I think you're just waiting for these 7 minutes to go out. I think, you know, in 7 minutes we're gonna either see a huge dump or we're gonna see a nice pump towards the upside. Letterman, I'm out. Have fun. Bye. Yeah, VTube NL. Have fun. Bye. I saw a few minutes ago, so it's going up now. Nice. Thanks, man. But think again about rebuy now, so it will dump again. Thanks for taking one for the team, man. Thanks for taking one for the team. If beat is one character in the Bible, what would it be called? First of all, we need to know the characters in the Bible, you know, for us that are not reading the Bible. I know all the characters, but not quite sure. It must be somebody who is unstable, who is very, you know, it's either very sad or very happy, you know. So Bitcoin might be, you know, some kind of clown, you know, a king's clown or something. Is there some kind of clown in the Bible? You know, some kind of king's clown that's always like, try to make you happy and then trying to make you sad and then make you happy and then I'm sad. You know, if there is a character like that in the Bible, that's Bitcoin. I know people want to say, yeah, it's, you know, Mother Teresa. No, it's not Mother Teresa. Maria, you know, or Judas or whatever. But no, it's the clown. Bitcoin is the clown. If there is a clown in the Bible, it's Bitcoin. It's not Judas, unfortunately, not Judas. But if there is a clown in Bitcoin, in Bible, then, you know, that's Herod. Bible clown. Who is clown in Bible? What does the Bible say about clowns? I don't know. So it's you guys who know who the clown is, this will be Lazarus raised from the dead. There is a donkey that talks. I sell only to buy for cheaper. Yeah, but you sell at, you know, you sell at minus 6% already. Like, yeah, you know, Bible says it is haram. Clowns are haram. Check the DXY, man. DXY should be going down. It is going a little bit up today, actually. No, let's see daily. Yeah, it is going a little bit up. We are expecting it to, you know, go more down. More get down. Let's see the moving averages up here on this baby. Yeah, it tries to, you know, to go towards the upside. So we're gonna see if we get the drop down. It looks like a stunt smack hug dump pattern. We're gonna see how that plays out. How long are I streaming? 15 minutes. I gotta go soon, guys, because not right now, but you know, soon. It's still not. Still can't call the button, guys. Still can't call the button. Expand, because you know you're not above the. Offense is good, so. What's the moon doing? Moon is waiting for the 19. Crypto Savvy says DXY will pump. Konski says it will dump. I say it will dump as well. Or at least I hope it will dump. I'm so offended, OMG. Do you think the market will finally bottom after the Fed meeting on Wednesday? I don't think the Fed meeting has anything to do with this. I think it's already priced in. They already know what they're gonna talk about, you know. So the question is, you know, BTC would be Shadrach Makara, forged by fire, but comes out unscattered. I don't know what that is, but or what those are, but okay. Thanks, man. Great as usual. I'm out. Wally said, thanks, man. Thanks for stopping by. Check broadening wedge on daily. Something like this up here. Yeah, but it's too steep towards downside. The problem with this up here is just too steep on the downside. Yeah, it's just too steep. Up here you can almost say some kind of falling wedge, you know, retest, not falling wedge, double retest, something like that. I don't know. Maybe something like this, and we are going all the way down to some kind of 40k. Yeah, you don't like that, huh? You don't like that. This is better. This is only 45k, right? Maybe. We're gonna see. But you know, I'm not very fan of these very steep falling wedges. Still, does gold's price affect BTC? I don't know. I think everything is correlated, but I think one affects the other that much. BTC would be Daniel in the lines then, coming out victorious. Maybe. You know, it would be nice if the victory came in soon, because right now we are not feeling the victory. Oh, the dump continues, guys. The dump continues. I'm just curious why your name is the late adopt. Like, what does that mean? It doesn't mean anything. I just saw some people, hey man, what should I call my channel? Somebody said the late adopter, and I took that. Means he's pre. You know how there are early adopters in crypto. You know, early adopters, people that adopt some stuff early. Like late adopter is, you know, the lectards. You know, doesn't logic dictates. Because of sheer use case and scalability, it will cross BTC. Just sell from now, it's too dangerous. Sell what? Like, you're already down 6%. What's it gonna do to go down another 6%? Last one promise, BTC will Goliath and Ethereum will be David slaying Goliath when the flipping happens. Goliath, Ethereum, David. Goliath slaying David. I don't think David slaying Goliath. I don't think the flipping will happen, to be honest with you. Penny's idiot, panicking BTC. Is the dip over, man? Lol, panning. What is Ben streaming right now? Monster Bitcoin move secured, next crypto surge ahead.
Like 30, I think it actually went up to 45 at some point and then fell all the way back down to 34. And then you remember what happened? Tesla announced they bought $1 billion of Bitcoin. And you know what it did to the price? It shot it straight back up. So our hope is we get some kind of news event that pushes the price back up, because the charts right now are very bearish and do not look great. We basically have to get back above the 52,000. Now it's maybe $53,000 trend line of long-term support in order for things to be bullish. And
we are bullish because we are at the bottom. The only channel where we know at the bottom. See, Bitcoin spreading fear. And the people that are watching Bitcoin goes to, you know, their discords and their telegrams that are spreading fear. So fear goes up while we here are just chilling and waiting, you know, come on, let's go up, because we know what's happening. A lot of courage, delayed bus driver. Hi guys, hi man, how you doing? It's rolling over, it's about to dump again. Dump again? What you talking about? Dump again, come on. Alright guys and gals, catch you taller, gonna make some trade. Ciao. Ciao, hey, thanks for stopping by. Little calling dips on the calling card XRPGs now. That's why I watch John Coty. Bitcoin is overrated. It's gonna be interesting to see if this actually, you know, does that one last dump before it goes towards the upside, but this was legitimately too much to the downside. It went down and down again. Right now it wants to go, but it went from too high to too low. Like it went something like this up here and slowly got up to this level down here. Like we would say, okay, this might dump towards downside, but it just went too fast towards downside, too fast. And when something goes too fast towards downside or to upside, you know, it needs to, you know, some kind of reversal a little bit towards the upside, you know, and then, you know, maybe it do something like this and then drop. But right now it's I don't see it, man, I don't see it. The question is only when the sideways move is gonna stop up here. Maybe it's trying to create, you know, a head and shoulders pattern up here. Yeah, let's see on the 1 minute chart. You know, can we see some kind of head and shoulders pattern up here? I don't know. Maybe some clarity. So this is the move that's gonna, you know, bam. If we get a head and shoulders pattern, of course. But you know, this lining up with the blockchain backers expectation that BTC will take a big dip. We're gonna spike down to 42 or beyond at 38.5. Come right back up to 75. So people are hoping. What, guys? What are you gonna? Let's see here. Let's do a poll, guys. Let's do a poll. When will you be buying? Buying now. 45k. 42k. I think 42k. 38k. So let's see guys, when you will be buying, like what price are you guys looking at, like what do you think, like okay, that's low enough, I'm gonna get in there. It's like a BTC blockchain. Hello everybody, do a poll, 41k or 108k. I think most people are on 41k right now. 42k is by there. This is all pushing for Wednesday Fed meeting. I need to select all of them. Dollar cost. There can only be 4 options on the polls here on YouTube, unfortunately. So you forgot the option. Why would you not be buying? Like, what's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? Like, I just DCA, yeah, DCA. I get it. But like, if you had to put money into something at one point, like you only have $100, so you know. So maybe you know, dollar cost averaging is not option, like 25. So you just have $100, you just want to buy at one point. Like what point would you buy at? Right now 45, 42, 38k. Just, you know, pick whatever is closest to whatever your number is. It's in consolidation range right now, but it's not clear if they go up or down after consolidation. No more buying for me. By the way, we just had a 1 hourly close, and let's see, there we go. We are closing, you know, we are having this inverse head and shoulders playing out. Just we seen, and just, you know, let's go down here, something like this up here. So this move, maybe it's gonna give us hope some kind of 48,000 that we said, you know, might get us towards the upside. So it's gonna be nice if we get some kind of 48,000. Let's go to 1 hourly time frame. Let's see up here on 1 hourly time frame. This is not a doji, unfortunately. I was hoping for a doji. There was no doji, and it is kind of weird pattern up here, but we take what we get. Question is, when will you sell if it keeps dropping? Okay, let's do the poll. But right now it's going towards the upside. So right now, you know, 6% plus. It was kind of a big, you know, this 1 minute, you know, 1 minute downtrend up here got broken right now. There is this more steeper trend up here. It's around 200 moving average, so I'm looking at that as well. So once we get up here, like, it's I'm pretty confident that we are pretty much out of this dump right now, and we're gonna, you know, we'll go kind of sideways maybe to tomorrow and see, you know, what's gonna happen later. But, you know, this dump over here, I think, you know, we just hit, you know, peak fear. Everybody was very so the poll is 106 votes, buying now 35%, 45. Let's end the poll. We'll probably flip for the downside again at 75. I mean, we are right now at 75.5 up here, 75 up, yeah, that's 47.6, 47.6. Can we flip the downside again? Sure, man, we can do, but I don't think we're gonna do like how this plays out on the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, hourly chart. It's really not important. During this week, I think we're gonna. I never sold any crypto I've bought. No way, man. You just hodling? When did you start buying, man? By the way, the poll, buying now 36%, 26% says 42. 38k says 90%, and 45k says 70%. So most people are thinking like this is decent, but you know, you're on my channel, so I'm asking the wrong crowd. If I went to, you know, the BitBoys channel and ask them, hey man, when would you buy it? Everybody would say like 38k. Head and shoulders on the daily. Head and shoulders on the daily. What kind of head and shoulders on the daily? I don't see head and shoulders on the daily, man. I don't know what you're looking at, but, you know, I don't see it. I don't see it, man. Crypto got head and shoulders. Crypto got head and shoulders on the daily. One hour ago, probably this one.
Today for the Bitcoin
price, yeah. Okay. Just show me the chart, man. Just show me the chart. Oh, the head and shoulders pattern. It's not on the day. It's this head and shoulders pattern. This head and shoulders pattern. This head and shoulders pattern. It's a very weird head and shoulders pattern, and if this plays out, we are looking at some kind of 41,000, 42,000. Now, can we do that? I don't think so. It's gonna be interesting right now if this 200 moving average. I think we're gonna get rejected by the 200 moving average up here, then consolidate a little bit down, maybe, you know, wait for this moving average to come up, then do something like this and then break. So this is the first touch, and then second touch we break that, and after that, you know, we golden, as somebody will say. We have inverse head and shoulder on the 1 minute and broke out of pennant with target at 47.5. Yeah, we just said that. Something like this. Target is up here, right? Give or take. Target is actually a lot higher up. 48,000. At least the way I see it. The way I see it. I don't know how you see it, but that's how I see it. Daily chart, left shoulder down, head just being formed. Daily chart, left shoulder down, head just, dude, you cannot do that, okay? You can't do that. You can't go say like, oh, this is left shoulder and head is being formed right now. You cannot do that. Like, You are so far out of the competition of like all of this. You know, you cannot call head and shoulders pattern when it's, you know, this far out. You know, you need to wait for at least this much of a pattern. You need to wait at least for this much of a pattern before you call the last part as head and shoulder. Like, it's just too early. It's, you know, this is just too early. It's just too early. You cannot call this head and shoulders pattern. I mean, then every kind of chart that does this is potentially a head and shoulders pattern, man. You can't do that. You can't do that. You cannot call it. Oh, look at that, man. Look at the, you know, bounce. 4.60. Right now, I think people are getting it. Hey, man, maybe the dump is finished, you know. I'm losing brain selling reading comments. There is already a head on the daily. The right shoulder is coming. No, we don't do that. It's too far away. It's too far away. Like, you gotta wait a little bit. Right now, Bitcoin is down minus 4.7%. At the most, it was down minus 6% or something like that. So I think people are right now, you know, seeing, hey man, maybe this is the bottom. Let's go towards the upside after this pump. Of course, when they see that, they of course starts buying. And then the price pulls back. Look at this gap up here on the 5-minute chart here on this, actually on Coinbase, so there's a lot of volume up here, but you know, suddenly people start buying. So this trend got broken, definitely. This trend up here got right now it's getting tested up here, and after that we got some kind of bigger trends up here that needs to be broken. But you know, when that time comes, we're gonna talk about that. But you know, up here at 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart, so you know, we got still you know, big way towards the upside to go. We got still big way towards the upside to go to break this line up here at 200 moving average on this bigger trend up here. But you know, when that time comes, you know, we're gonna see that if you can just do something like this, you know, continue towards the upside, right? But this move on the downside, this was finished down here. Right now retesting the line, as support. Maybe it's gonna hold, maybe it's not gonna hold. Let's go to 1-minute chart to see how this actually plays out. 200 moving average up here, holding at the same place as the line where it's gonna play out. None of you listened to me on the 4th of December. None of you listened to me last Thursday about the beginning of the decline on the 13th. Crypto FX, and we are still not gonna listen to you because, you know, why should we? Like, everybody comes out with you know, prediction. I came out with the 4th December prediction as well, man. Like, you are not the only one, man. And you know, the 13th December, that's, you know, that's the you know, optical art guys, you know, time frame. But you know, just screaming in the chat saying, man, it's gonna happen on the 4th. Like, you gotta give us something, you know, you gotta give us something, some kind of explanation. Au revoir, I have to go work now. Have a great day and a good luck. Yeah, you too, man. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate you being in chat and, you know, chatting and, you know, giving out information. No one should listen to you or anyone else. Do your own research. The problem is that people it's too hard to do, you know, technical analysis. Do your own research on tech analysis when you cannot do tech analysis. So you gotta follow somebody, you know. Bear hopium. Sandbox, please. What's happening, Sandbox? Sandbox is down 7.90%, something like that. Let's kill daily time frame. Oh, that's a big dump on the downside. Look at the lines, man. If this is the perfect sun, I don't know what is, man. Look at the sun. Look at the sun, man. Look at the sun. Look at the sun, man. This is what happens when you spend too much time on the charts, guys. Philip Thomas, let's fall. Predictions are poison. Don't trust and believe no one, or you will get wrecked. Trusting, you know, the problem is not trusting people. The problem is when you know, you're trusting somebody is gonna go up, but if there comes any kind of you know, FUD on the side, it's gonna get you out of the market. Like, somebody can tell you, hey man, buy this, it's gonna be the best thing ever, it's gonna go 1000x, but you cannot sell. And if you just believe the guy, you know, you buy and just believe guy, you haven't done your research, you are not very convinced that this is going 1000x. As soon as some kind of, you know, FUD comes on the side and says like, hey man, that stuff over there is, you know, Ponzi scheme, you're gonna be like, is it really? Did I just listen to these guys cut me into Ponzi, man? What's happening, man? What's happening? And then you sell and then it goes 1000x. Why? Because you don't have the conviction. You need conviction, man. You need conviction. Oh man, 5-minute chart is actually, you know, lagging at the 50 moving average, so it needs to pull back a little bit. I think it needs to pull back a little bit. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. You know what? We're not gonna see how this actually plays out. I'm saying, like, look here on 200 daily. It went with the week down to 200 daily again for the second time. This is 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. Let's clear up here. You see, 2 days in a row we went to the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average is right now actually a little bit more towards the upside. Up here, it's right now up there. But yeah, 2 days in a row we went down to, you see, 200 moving average, 200 moving average. Maybe some kind of double bottom, right? With the wick, and then, you know, and then go towards the upside. I think this, you know, I've been saying this is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, 5, yeah, 3, 4 3, 4, 5 days. Right now, I've been saying this is the bottom, maybe even longer. I don't remember, and I'm still convinced this is the bottom still. And I still say there is the probability this to go below down here, and it will still be the bottom in this range up here, because this week on downside needs to, you know, pump towards the upside eventually. So yeah. I just said this guy is cool. Do you know what my wife said? We had this stream where we were looking at 1-minute chart and calling the bottom like a couple of days ago, right? Live stream. And my wife said you should change your name from the late adopter to the bottom caller. So maybe you should do that, like the bottom caller. Plan B predictions were poised. Everyone thinks on 35k. Yeah. You got a lot of people hype. You know, a lot of people exited in you know, May, June, July and stuff like that, right? A lot of people exited the crypto, but whoever was left in, you know, they put their faith on Plan B. So right now, if Plan B fails, even they will get out. The bottom color sounds sexual. Yeah, too sexual. Plan B is a puppet of the whales. Yeah, maybe. Only sitting back, relaxed. What time is it? 1:12 minutes. I cannot do the, you know, I gotta go, guys. My kids are down, and I gotta be, you know, I gotta entertain the important people in my life. Don't go full in when buying dips. Slowly buy a little each time, because it could keep dropping. So DXY is the best bet. I've taken it expensive. I bought 250 at 49, 2k at 48.5, and 3k at 47.8. Maybe that's the thing. So Doji Dairy worked as a reversal to TLI. Don't touch the Doji Dairy until we reach 100k. It's a deal, Martin. It's a deal. If we touch 100k, I'm gonna play it again. Okay, that's good. I can't see myself buying a Phantom at this price. I was too used to seeing it at 0304 in August. And the left captain stop button is up, guys. Okay, thanks for stopping by. I think this is some kind of a local bottom up here. You can see that the downtrend is definitely broken up here. So can we do this? Yes, we can. Can we break the 200 moving average on the downside? Yes, we can. I'm not saying this is, you know, I was actually expecting a little bit more, you know, bigger dump before we actually got the nice reversal. But this is, you know, we take what we get. A nice pump up here above certain levels up here. We still got this up here at, what's that, around 48,005 or something like that, this line up here to break. We can go to see this on the 1 hourly time frame up here. 1 hourly time frame. So we are trying to create right now this, you know, morning star doji. If this can be, you know, indicate some kind of bottom pattern or something like that. So up here, you know, the move up here towards some kind of 48,000, something like that. We need to break this line up here. So maybe we're just gonna go sideways up here and then break. I don't know how this is actually gonna play out, but you know, whatever, you know, it really doesn't matter, because on the daily time frame, I think this is some kind of bottom, even with some kind of move towards the downside. I think this is some kind of bottom. Can we go to 45k? Yes, we can. But you know, 46k, I think that's it. But you know, how this is gonna play out, I'm not quite sure. But you know, some kind of bottom, especially on the weekly time frame. Like, can we dump more down here? We can, but any kind of dump on the downside needs to reverse pretty fast, because you just get this too overextend, I think. Anyways, that's that for now. I gotta go do stuff. Nah, don't buy at 42 or 53. These are the great price for fat, bro. Bye. Just hodl, no stress. Yeah, hodling strategy can work out. Bottom color, take us to the beach. But you know, hodling strategy can work out. Anyways,